Hello, my name's Dawn Waterhouse and I'm a therapist on the Atta Health Clinic team. I'm a homeopath and biofeedback practitioner. This week we're exploring Mental Health Week, and so I thought I'd share one of the tips that I give my clients when they come to me struggling with their mental health or having a mental health episode. So in addition to me exploring a remedy to help them, be it something that they're usually taking and they've forgotten or they need something new, I usually ask them to take a few moments to explore and let out, verbalize that emotional stuff that they're feeling. Just a few moments, and then once they've heard that emotional stuff that they're releasing for themselves, then I ask them to try and find something that they're really good about in their life. Maybe there's a friend that they've done something nice for them. Maybe they're remembering a loved one, a nice activity or something they've done with a loved one when they're younger. But just try and pull back in something that makes them feel love or happiness or joy, at whatever stage in their life. But they're trying to just kind of like let out whatever it is that hurts, and then put back in something that makes them feel love. Whatever your place, I hope you find resolution to it, and take care and have a good day.